Hey guys, Digital David here. Today I'm excited to be unboxing and reviewing for you some xFyro XS2. These are wireless earbuds that are waterproof, and I'm really excited about this. They sent me these to review on my channel, but any opinion expressed in this video is my own. And I'll go ahead and publish a link to their website in my video description and Amazon links. You can go ahead and check out these products and see if they're the right ones for you to order. Really cool packaging. It reminds me of Apple with this nice, hard, durable cardboard, nice product photography right here. So we'll just kind of rotate around. You can see the whole package. The back just has some pictures of the headphones going in and out of the charger and how they should sit in your ear. So a little American flag down there. Really cool. Now we'll go ahead and open them up. Really excited because the description said, yes, it is brushed aircraft aluminum. So really excited. We'll go ahead, get the plastic off and really see what that's like. So it's black brushed aluminum with a nice gold trim finish, which is really cool. And so what we're looking at is we have the right headphone right here, the left headphone right here, and they have a nice magnetic connector, which is awesome to put it right in the right spot to charge. On this side we have the USB in, which is your micro USB to charge this device. And then we have a USB out and a power button on the opposite side. So what's exciting is this is used to charge your headphones, and you have your left and the right headphones. They have 4 to 6 hour battery life. This case and charger has a 24-hour battery hold, so you can get 4 or 5 full charges out of this. And then what's awesome is with that USB out, you can also use this battery bank to charge your smart device. Did I mention that these are waterproof? So we'll go ahead, we'll connect them to my phone, and then we'll put some music on and put them in the glass and see if we can still listen to them. They're rated for up to 33 feet deep. These are going to be awesome workout and swimming headphones. So now we'll go ahead, we'll connect it to our phone, and then we'll get it in the water. So I have some music playing. I'll put it right to my microphone so you can listen. Now we'll go ahead and we'll just dunk them right in the water. Now, you can see they're in there. They're still flashing and blinking. Not sure if you can hear that. We'll go ahead. We'll try to turn up the gain. We'll bring that back down, and that is really, really exciting. So we'll take them out, we'll dry them off. You can still hear the music coming from them. So they really are waterproof, and again, something that you could use in your workout bag, your gym bag, that sort of thing. So that's really, really neat. What a cool pair of wireless earbuds. I've reviewed a bunch of earbuds on my channel, but I've yet to do any sort of waterproof ones. So that's really cool, really easy to set up, very straightforward. Now that we've got that test out of the way, lastly, I'll just go ahead and show you what else is in the box. We have a Dear Value customer card with a quick setup guide. We have the full user manual showing you what comes in the contents of the package, how to charge, that sort of thing. If you want to hold on to that, these are great references if you have any questions. And then in the bottom, we have a USB to micro USB cable, which is awesome to use for charging. And then we have a couple different options for your ear that you can interchange out if you're not happy or these don't fit your ears that well. You have a couple different choices. So again, really cool. Just took it out of the water, and then we can go ahead and just plug it right back in to the charger too, which is really spectacular. So really cool. Really like this brushed aluminum. Really nice. Good feel. Really light and easy. The magnetic clasp is really well thought out, so they did a great job. Link to this in my video description below. Go hit the like, comment, sub if you haven't to my channel. Leave me some comments, share this video. Love to interact with you guys and look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thank you.